This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB-Bo and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
और आज देना चाहूंगी बधाई टू तनु मेहता ऑन गो एमएमटी रेडियो. माय नेम इज एनी. वेलकम बैक टू द शो एंड वेलकम टू तनु हु इज जॉइनिंग मी फ्रॉम इंदौर और वो होटल सप्लाई डिपार्टमेंट में काम करती है. तनु, इट इज सो नाइस टू हैव यू ऑन द शो.
थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी.
तो आपको एमएमटी ज्वाइन करे अब सिर्फ 4 ही महीने हुए हैं, जनवरी दिस ईयर. सो 2025 हैज बिगन ऑन अ वेरी हाई नोट फॉर यू.
Yes, it has. It was like a roller coaster for me.
और इसी बीच आप दिल्ली भी होकर आए थे, एग्जाम्स भी दे रहे थे. ये कौन से एग्जाम्स थे?
So it was my 4th semester exam since like we had our placements in the 3rd semester.
Okay.
So I had to go back for the 4th semester exams.
Oh, that's lovely. I mean, so it's a dream come true to work at MMT. It's the top travel company of India.
Yes, surely that can be said.
और अब 4 ही महीने हुए हैं तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस भी नया है. एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट इट्स अ न्यू जॉब, इट्स ऑल्सो योर फर्स्ट जॉब.
Yes, it is. Everything's new, like to work since the lifestyles change a lot
Yeah.
from the college days. So it was a huge change for me.
Wow. So you're otherwise from Rajasthan, studied in Delhi, at least college, and now also MBA, I believe, and now working in Indore. तो ये जो travel हो रहा है आपका एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, ये आपको अच्छा लग रहा है?
Yeah, it's nice to explore new places, and since I have not traveled much in Indore because I wasn't able to stay for long periods in Indore, but yeah, I'll surely source this place and explore, and that's what I like, exploring the place.
Good. Tanu Mehta is on the show with me today. She's from the hotel supply department based out of Indore.
We have launched the OPD services exclusively for We Care Fund members. Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
On the show with Tanu Mehta, the show is called बधाई हो. और तनु फिर एक बार आपको बधाई देना चाहूंगी.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So Tanu works for the hotel supply department and is based out of Indore. अब hotel supply जो है Tanu is something that requires you to kind of come up with the best deals and have the best hotels tied up with MMT, which means you go out for meetings a lot. How has that experience been so far?
So currently, just because of the exams and all and the mapping, I was not able to go out much. Official meetings have not yet started to start this month. So yeah, 3 to 4 meetings I have done till now. And they were a lot, like experience wise also, and I had to learn from the host point of view, from how host thinks, how they would like their property to be shown and as such. So not much has happened, but yeah, from the little interaction, it was like kind of an experiential learning as well.
Oh, that is good. चलिए एक rapid fire round हो जाए. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
The rapid fire round.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak only 2 languages. That one is English and the other is Hindi.
Oh, good. What's your goal in life?
So my goal is to be like a person who is independent as well as a person people can rely on. So like the family basis, since I rely on them now, I want in the future they can also rely on me. So I want to be a reliable person from them and
How
also
thoughtful.
like independent.
So sweet. What is your current mood?
Current mood is a little bit sad and happy as well.
Oh, why sad?
Because can't meet new people and like a bit isolating. But on the other side, my friends are also getting placed, so I'm getting news every day. Oh, this person is placed in that company or such. So I'm happy as well. The mood's a bit shifty down the lane.
Oh, that's nice actually, and understand where you come from. But I'm sure things will get much, much better as things move along.
Yes, I'm sure about that.
What's your dream destination?
So currently it would be Oli.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
You like to go skiing and experience the snow and all, huh?
Yes.
Nice. Who's been your childhood hero?
So my childhood hero would be my mom. Since she's also a working woman, I have seen her struggles how like dedicated she is to her work, how happy she is doing what she is, and all the steps, like since she was also working and taking care of me and my brothers, so like she has been a role model from the childhood.
That is so good. What is a superpower you'd like to possess today?
To read minds.
Yes, and we'd love to know what everybody's thinking, right? So things get
Yes.
so much more easier that way to do work, even at home, even relationships, correct?
Yes, very much.
What's a hidden talent you have that nobody knows about?
I like doing like creative writing, and as such, not many people have seen that, but yeah, I do write some literature as well as some quotes and such. So into creative writing.
Very good. Well done. Please keep it up. Never give that up, okay?
Yes, sure.
What was the last movie you watched that made you cry?
I don't cry on movies, but a bit emotional movie. The last I watched is Kesari 2.
Very good. What's your
Yes.
biggest fear?
So my biggest fear would be like losing my family.
Dream job that you always had as a child.
So my dream job had to be a doctor.
Nice. But
Yes.
from being a doctor or whatever it is that you dreamt of to today being in the top travel company, it's not bad at all.
Yeah, not at all. I'm happy where I am currently.
Well, your last question. What is your guilty pleasure?
My guilty pleasure would be binge eating.
And what do you usually like binge eating on?
Netflix. I have a show that's called Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I don't know how many times I would have seen it.
Really?
But whenever I feel bored, I just put it on and I just eat something.
Okay, then with that, we've come to the end of the rapid fire round.
Go MMT Radio.
Customers aren't just external, but they are also internal. Our colleagues, peers, team, etc. We must focus on the needs of both by building a culture of customer focus from inside out. Hello, I am Yuvraj Shrivastava and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
मेरी बॉडी में सेंसेशंस होते हैं, प्लस उनको कंट्रोल करते हैं.
कैसे सेंसेशंस?
सेंसेशन जैसे सरसराहट, सनसनाहट, गुदगुदाहट, डगमगाहट, फरफराहट, थरथराहट, कपकपाहट, हड़बड़ाहट, दबदबाहट, छटपटाहट, फड़फड़ाहट, सुगबुगाहट, कुलबुलाहट, गुदगुदाई, चिलमिलाई, चुल.
आज ही अपने नियरेस्ट डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करें और हाँ, अपना क्लेम अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप पर रियम्बर्स जरूर करें. बॉडी सेंसेशन और पिल से मुक्ति पाएं.
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go. क्या हुआ है? बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
On the show Badhai Ho on Go MMT Radio, I'm your host Annie, and someone talking to me from Indore Hotel Supply Department is Tanu Mehta, just 4 months into the system. So tell me, induction and immersion programs at MMT, how were they?
So induction, we had a campus to corporate within the induction process. So it was a whole 2 weeks kind of structure. It was very learning sort of experiential type of thing. Got to learn about all the departments, all the LOBs, and got to meet the leaders as well. In the first half only, the induction as well.
Nice.
Some of the leaders. So yeah, it was good and like very well thought of, because it was very well conducted, organized to like let the newcomers see what they are getting into. Good process. And the emotion was, got to learn much more about all what MMT does, and then got to meet the leaders as well, so like the CEO, the co-founder as such. So it was like a very friendly environment, and yeah, overall it was a very good experience.
So you're in an interesting department, which is hotel supply. Like literally you are kind of the face of MMT when you go out to meet your vendors, the hotels or the homes or wherever. There are so many departments within hotel supply also. So when you are the face, what is it as an impression that you need to carry for MMT?
Right now, what I don't have and I would like to have, the host wants me to like clarify their problems. The business is not going in the right way. They want me to like consult them how they should be doing, what they should not be doing. If they should like put up some promotion as well. So I would like to have like insight of the market to like the host as well, so that the business keeps growing for them, for MMT as well.
That's really good, Tanu. Tanu, so tell me, how many places have you visited in the past 2 years maybe?
So the past 2 years, it would be I have been to like Ujjain, Indore with the family, and prior to the job, then I have went to Shimla, Vrindavan,
Okay.
Mussoorie, Rishikesh.
Oh my
and,
God.
Yes, Mumbai, Goa, and Bangalore as well.
This is like you've been on this itinerary, which is very rare for most people. You're traveling like what, every 2 months?
The Mumbai, Goa, and Bangalore were work trips after joining MMT, and other ones were in college.
Yeah, that is so good, which means you always have loved to travel. I know you've always made time to travel, right?
Yes, surely.
That's lovely. Anything that stands out in these places that you have been to? Any place that really stood out for you?
So, what would be like the culture? Because I love to meet like new people since they like have their own understanding, and always the infrastructure of a place. It's like one of the peak things. And shifting from Shimla and Mussoorie, they are like the greenery. So after living in Delhi, it's much nice to see the greenery and the fresh air. So
that's lovely.
That's what I love to talk. Yes.
It's called Never Have I Ever Tanu. Have you played this game before?
Yes, I have.
Okay, which means you're pretty ready for it, nah?
Yes.
The rapid fire round.
Never have I ever learned a foreign language.
I have not.
Okay, which means it's never. All right, never have I ever read a partner's text messages.
I have.
बड़ा मजा आता है ना?
Yeah, transparency. No.
Oh, never have I ever gone on a blind date.
No, I have never.
Oh, never have I ever played a musical instrument.
I have.
Oh, which one?
The piano. I started learning it but then gave it up halfway.
Oh, maybe now you should find the time once you settle in and go back to it. It will be a lovely hobby to follow. I mean, your creative side should never, like you do creative writing, you should also start playing the piano all over again. It'll be beautiful, I'm telling you. All right. Never have I ever gone skiing.
No, I have never.
Yeah, you're waiting for Ollie to happen, I know. Never have I ever gotten into a physical fight.
No, I have never.
Okay. Never have I ever seen a ghost.
Never.
Oh, never have I ever pretended to be on the phone.
I have many times.
Never have I ever met a celebrity.
I have.
Oh, who is it?
So it was Palak Muchal, I think, when I was in Kota. Yeah.
Oh,
so she came there.
Nice. Never have I ever gone to a party I wasn't invited to.
No, I have never.
Oh, never have I ever cheated on a test.
I have. Everybody does.
Never have I ever used a fake ID.
No, never.
Never have I ever been in love.
I have.
Oh, you have? And are you still in love?
Yes.
Oh, that is so sweet. Well, with that, I've come to the end of Never Have I Ever. The last question I have for you, though, is, something that you follow, a value or an ethic or a morality code or a moral code, which someone taught you, you learned from someone, maybe your mentors, maybe your parents, and you hold that very close to your heart.
So that would be being true to myself. And that's one thing that has stuck with me over the past and would like to be in the future as well, because if I'm true to myself, then I can be true to other people as well. If I'm not even true to myself, how can I portray myself to the others?
Yeah.
So that is one thing that has stuck with me.
That is nice. Well, with that, we've come to the end of the show. Thank you so much, Tanu, for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the show as well.
Yes, I did. Thank you for having me.
All the very best, and may you grow very, very successful here at MMT. All the best for that.
Thank you.
Tanu Mehta on Badhai Ho, Hotel Supply Department based out of Indore. This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie, and yes, it's a wrap. I will be back on Wednesday with Trips Don't Lie. Till then, keep smiling, stay cheerful.
Hi Trippers, this is Sunil Grover and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Chakka to bate.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go. To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel. Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.